channel. Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Hello, this is Lango News channel. You are welcome to analysis on LC5 chairperson elections in Lango. I am Denish Ongora. This article breaks down how the 2026 district chairperson elections in Lango shifted power from historical loyalty to performance-driven politics. It explains why the NRM dominated most districts, how UPC lost ground in its former strongholds, where UPC remained competitive, and what the rise of independence reveals about changing voter expectations at the local government level. The election of district chairpersons in Lango during the 2026 general elections marked a defining moment in region's political evolution. Once a solid basin of Uganda People's Congress, Lango instead delivered a verdict shaped less by ideology and more by access, delivery, and political proximity. The national resistance movement emerged dominant across most districts, signaling a major recalibration of local power. Across the sub-region, the NRM won the majority of LC5 chairperson positions, consolidating its control over district administrations. Notable victories include politically strategic districts and urban centers such as Lera City. In contrast, UPC managed to retain only a few district leadership positions, most visibly in Doholo and Uyam, while independents recorded isolated successes. The results expose a widening gap between the historical party loyalty and contemporary voter expectations. Analysts point to alignment with central government as NRM's strongest advantage. LC5 candidates campaigning on the NRM ticket presented themselves as the conduits to national resources, infrastructure funding, and government programs. For voters grappling with service delivery challenges, health infrastructure gaps, and road connectivity, the promise of direct access to center of power proved decisive. In local government elections, symbolism mattered less than perceived effectiveness. UPC's setbacks at the district level reflected organizational weaknesses, limited campaign financing, and a declining mobilization capacity. In several districts, once firmly UPC, voters expressed fatigue with leadership they viewed as disconnected from development outcomes. However, UPC's survival in Doholo and Uyam demonstrated that local credibility, visibility, and consistent engagement can still overcome party disadvantages. The presence of successful independent candidates added another dimension to the results. Their performance suggests that now voters are increasingly willing to separate leadership competence from party labels, reinforcing a growing culture of performance-based voting. In conclusion, the 2026 LC5 chairperson's election in Lango underscored a decisive shift toward pragmatic politics. The NRM translated state proximity into electoral dominance, while UPC's influence contracted to districts where leadership retained grassroots trust. The lesson from the district contest is clear. In local governance, delivery now outweighs legacy.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.